Hello everyone. So in this video I'll be explaining how you can deploy a machine learning model in Sparkflows. So as a first step you need to visit the page all models, and over here you can see all the models that have been created using the workflow. For the sake of simplicity we are going to choose one model which has been already created through a workflow whose name is 7A Spark Scala Training String Numeric. This is a random forest regression model that has been created using the Spark ML library in Scala. So as a first step, we need to associate this model with a scoring workflow. What is a scoring workflow? So this scoring workflow is going to be executed as part of the prediction REST API call. So once we have associated the model with the scoring model, we are ready to deploy it. So let's click on the deploy model. And let's give it a name, test, and this is going to be deployed in the Kubernetes using the Kubeflow. So we need to create an image which has the model baked in. So we'll give the image a tag and click on OK. Now as a first step, the image is going to be created which has the model baked in, and once the image has been built, it is going to be pushed to a registry, and from that registry the Kubeflow will pull that image and deploy it on the Kubernetes. So we'll wait for a couple of seconds. So the model has been deployed, and now it's time for us to test it out. So let's confirm that the experiment in the Kubeflow has been created. So over here you can see that experiment has been created and an image has been deployed in the Kubernetes. Now to get all the details about the endpoint that can be used for coding the model, we'll click on this eye icon and get the details about the endpoint. We'll copy this endpoint from here and use a Postman-like app for calling the endpoint. So here we are just passing the record that we want to predict, and this model actually helps us to predict the price of the house based on the size and the number of bathrooms and how many stories is the house located at. We click on the send, and here you can see the result of the prediction. So this is how you deploy a model from Sparkflows. Thank you.